Thank you for clicking this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy, beginner-friendly stitch with only one repeat row. Everything I use in this tutorial is linked in the drop-down description box below. This multicolored yarn is a little bit hard to see, so I'm going to switch over to this purple yarn for the stitch tutorial. Thank you for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Now let's get started. For materials, I am using a worsted weight yarn. You can use any yarn or even crochet thread with this stitch. Because I'm using a worsted weight yarn, I chose a 5.00mm crochet hook. I am also using a pair of scissors and a yarn needle to weave in ends. To begin, create a slip knot of your choice. Next, create a chain as long as you like, or multiples of 4 plus 6. Once we get to the end of row 1, I will show you how to manage the extra chain if you don't use the multiple. Once you have a chain as long as you like, we can begin with row 1. Remember, the loop on your hook never counts as a chain. Into the 7th chain from hook, make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet again into the same stitch. Now we're going to begin a row repeat. Skip 3 chain, and into the 4th chain, 3 double crochet, chain 2, double crochet again into the same space. We're now just going to repeat this until the end of our work. Once we have 3 remaining chain or more, I will meet back up at the end of this row. Here is my work at the end of row 1. To end row 1, you need 3 chain. So skip 2 chain and double crochet into the 3rd chain. Now row 1 is finished. As you see here, I did not use the multiple and just chained as many as I wanted. I have 2 extra chain. I'm going to back out this knot to deal with the extra 2 chain. Once I have backed out that extra chain, you can see I have plenty of tail to weave in. Now chain 3 and turn. Now row 2 is going to be our repeat row until our project is as large as we like. You're going to be only working in the chain 2 spaces all the way across your work. Into each chain 2 space, you're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. You'll just repeat this all the way down your work. Once you come to the very end, double crochet into the top of your previous chain 3 turning chain. Chain 3, and turn to begin a repeat again of row 2. Now, once your project is as long as you like, many people I know are going to ask me how to finish this stitch. Now, I haven't experimented a lot, but I think that this method works the best. Chain 3, and turn. You're going to single crochet into the chain 2 spaces. Then just chain 3 and single crochet again into your next chain 2 space, all the way across until the end of your work. I think this method works just fine and it matches the foundation chain. If you have a better method, be sure to let us all know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For extra information, check out the drop-down description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Share this tutorial with your friends, and of course, subscribe if you haven't. Have a lovely crochet day, and I hope to see you again in my next tutorial.